We welcome you to this year's first Drone News Capsule. We are optimistic that the year 2021 would be bringing more joy in the Indian drone industry by landmark reforms and steps taken by the Government of India propelling the vision of India being the drone destination of the world. We began this year with DGCA granting approval to Survey of India and AUS for PMO's Swamitva scheme for using drone technologies for 8 Indian states. Also, Defence Ministry has recently cleared 10 more drones to be used by Indian Navy and a MOU has been signed between DTET Orissa with IC Drones for setting up Drone Center of Excellence at Orissa. And not to forget the heroic attempt of a 19-year-old young drone enthusiast named Devang Subed, who gave an epitome example of how drone technology can be used for the betterment of the society by saving drowning men with the help of his drone. The Aviation Ministry is working on India's first National Aerosports Policy NASP. This provides a great opportunity for the aero modeling enthusiasts in the country, which would further fuel the interest of aero modeling enthusiasts to be more involved in these activities. The panel has Ministry Joint Secretary Ambar Dubey, DGCA Joint DG Bir Singh Rai and representatives of Ministries of Tourism and Youth Affairs and Sports, Aerosports Industry and Aero Club of India as members. The panel will submit the draft NASP 2021 for which public comments will be solicited before finalization. Indian drone industry is never too old to set up new goals because every day is a new beginning. Small steps like this will someday lead to a great achievement. We are not very far from that day when India will be known as the drone hub of the world. Thanks for watching. Hope you have liked our video. Do leave your feedback in the comment section box below. Like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the notification from our upcoming updates.